It's Peeps Week. Those squishy marshmallow chicks. They're basically tiny science experiments waiting to happen.
All right.
Sink or float? Turns out, Peeps are buoyant little adventurers.
Adam, go. Kaya, Michael, go ahead, put your little things.
Mix pink plus yellow Peeps?
Why is it still floating?
Let's see.
So you guys see, it doesn't matter what color it is, it's gonna float.
Teacher, look!
Check up what happens when we put it in vinegar.
It will melt, then it will get same color.
Okay, let's see. The color of the dye came out. You see? Now it's blue.
Add baking soda?
Oh my God! What happened?
What happened?
It bubbled.
It bubbles. Look at the color of your water now. It's the color of your peeps.
Peeps become bubbly volcanoes.
I have blue and I have pink. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and we're gonna see what happens, okay?
Microwave mayhem? Watch Peeps puff into marshmallow giants.
You got bigger.
Guess what? The kids ended up eating the amazing
It's
Peeps.
sticky.
It's sticky. Take a bite of it, Adam. Does it taste like marshmallows?
Yeah.
Did you like Peeps?
Yeah.
Raise your hand if you liked it.
At Yang Fan Preschool, learning is a sticky, sweet adventure where every day ends with, "Can we do that again?"
Tastes like marshmallow? Is it good?